morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of Lifeasjacyjess. Today we are going to do a living room deep cleaning. So yeah, as you can see, my living room is a mess right now because of the baby, but the baby has just left for school, so I just want to start cleaning as soon as possible. Yeah, so, and also I have, for those who have watched my videos before, they know that my living room does not have very good lighting. So I have the lights on. As you can see, I have the lights on to give me more lighting as I do this. So if you see some problems with the lighting, please bear with me and let's get started, guys. This is the current state of my living room. Doesn't look so nice. I'll be using this vacuum that I got from an ex-USA place for 3,500. I think that's a really nice price. So if you haven't watched my video for ex-USA places, please, I'll put the link up so you can watch it. we're done with the cleaning. I like how the sitting room now looks. Looks super clean. Yeah. So tell me what you think, guys. For those who have subscribed, thanks again. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. And thanks for the love. Comment down below how you do your cleaning. If there's anything you think that I need to work on, please let me know. And as for now, thank you again, and bye. Thank you, guys.